There's another reader who said, "Oh, damn. Everything blew up in their face. They took the gossip too far." Then in this reading, she's trying to fabricate a villain who's been gossiping about someone. And from her stories, this villain was watching this person all the time and is trying to fake her concern over this other person. She's even trying to create a story wherein this villain is at a dinner table where she was gossiping, but no one wants to believe her bullcrap. So in the story, she portrayed this villain as Jokey Smurf, where this character is trying to pretend to be that good person. She then says that the truth came out without ever defending yourself or herself, but truth came out just because of someone's consistency. We'll understand this contradiction of what I did where I defended myself. And that contradiction is intentional because they all want you to be confused of who the real villain is. Because this character who was doing all of this, they were trying to scapegoat it onto their target. While looking at the comment section, someone commented lol. Actually, so many people did. And I believe these are trolls and are part of this gang stalking, trying to make it confirm that it is lol. Or trying to at least confuse people of who this character is, who this villain is. Well, guess what? That conversation in a dinner table will never did. I don't watch people, most especially not in an illegal way. I'm busy with life. Talking about another person all the time, well, that will never happen. Most especially someone that betrayed me, not going to happen. And I don't fake concern. I don't. So all events in this person's villain story, well, ain't me. But they all want it to be lol, right? But if we think about it, of what gang stalking is known to be scapegoating people. Now we'll understand that most likely this story is someone else's story and not mine. You see, timing is everything, especially when a group and their victim gets exposed for their lies and illusions. So we expect counter manipulations like this where they will try to sway the public opinion for damage control. It is about casting an illusion that the majority is believing this way when it is not the truth and it is not the reality. So they want you to think that it is truth or it's the reality of things because if they are the greater number, so you must be convinced. Lol. Well, I guess so if you're stupid enough to believe the scammers satanic team. You see, there was a pattern in this community where their victim was trying to fabricate a story where she was being gossiped about all the time and that they were antagonizing a Leo, a Queen of Wands, lol. While at the same time, I was actually experiencing this heavy covert slander and assassination from this community. You see, truth is not revealed because you didn't speak. Yeah, but your flying monkeys did, right? Spoke to create a false reality for you to survive. Attempts like this is an example of an attempt to make their target react, intentionally antagonizing a target because their main goal is to use the target's reaction to make them look unstable or just a crazy person. So like one of her commenters did saying about lol that she needs to go to a doctor. So all those antagonism, heavy manipulation, creating a false reality that majority of people are thinking one way about one person, wanting to take your place as the victim while antagonizing you. Flying monkeys speaking for this victim in groups of people lolling in here as if they were ganging up on lol. Most especially that part where someone said that someone needs to see a doctor, suggesting that you're insane. Well, that's the favorite game of a narcissist plays on her or his victim. Also, intentionally triggering to get a reaction which is really reactive abuse. In that comment section where they were lolling, it was a comment about someone being a narcissist It is because this evil group is projecting. So all of this is textbook narcissism. No, nothing is blowing up in my face. I don't have that reality. LOL. But maybe it's the reality of some of you in here, where all your lies are all blowing up in your faces. You see, if consistency is the answer to know the truth, I have been consistent for years against this group, and this group has been consistent with bullying one person. Gang stalking is highly deceptive in nature. So if someone is consistently good now, it's still not the answer to the question of who is who. Being consistently good can mean being consistently deceptive for some goal or theft. So if you think about it, if you were evil and did some heinous crimes and abuse, you'd can do good as well. Especially when you know that you might go to jail. I believe some people know the truth. As everyone wants to join in with this bullying, there's some people whom I think instinctively know the truth. There were even some that commented in this reading saying, the enemy uses weak people to spread the lies. Then there was another person who commented saying that, I think they were deceived and some were bribed. This is the nature of gang stalking.